Bird's Paradise. Episode of Madness. And so far, nothing really. Nothing too special. Oh boy! Anteater Baby .2. Wait, do we already have our betas? Yes. The first steps into going into the new. Oh, I forgot. Who was gonna be Jazeera's love interest? Stop getting leeches! Obviously not him. Actually, I don't know who. Oh no. Just Seer will, or not Seer will save the baby. Just Seer will save the precious heartbroken child. Oh god, the leg. Cozy, Kuca, you gotta go. Move, buddy. There's so many babies. So many freaking babies. Ooh. I want a leg so much that I don't think I'll be able to live. Oops. Which is pretty dang nice and stuff. Okay, don't die. Just don't. Coconuts. I don't know why. There's another nest. Oh, jeez. The game decides to have a panic attack on me. Have your freaking child. OMG, who got it this time? Oh, Jiro's turn to get leeched. Feels nice, huh? We gotta choose the babies that are going to the next island. Oh, and the alphas! Can't forget the alphas. Oh! Whoa. Take a look at the baby. It has bats. Wait, which one of you did I want to get to? Get your butts moving. I want to bring the anteater baby because we need the ants. The ant babies. The ant babies are great. Oh, no, you don't. I ain't getting another. Alright, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, boy, we got so many. We can keep going. Shouldn't be that bad, right? If I'm not wrong. Oh, why can't nobody register anything? I think that we are. Never mind. I can't do that. Bring our other child over here. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 15. Oh, dear God. So, Jira, you're not coming. Tapera, you're not coming. So, Tapera and Jira, get the heck out of town. So, you two, can you guys couple? Is that the thing? Jira hasn't been birth. She was just a lone child, so she's gonna try with freaking ugly pants here. Lead the path. So that way we don't run into any madness on the way. Since this place is blocked up for whatever reason, off by a bunch of bushes, the family will have to round it. Because there's just so much brush there that they just can't possibly move. The other thing about here, like nothing's gone wrong. It's when it comes to this. Where's the other, the second generation beta male? Because we can't be him, so it's probably gonna have to be someone. Alright, girl. You failed me! Someone's dying. Personally dying. Pass the goddamn day and see what kind of result came. Our first bluebird. And a sick, pretty baby. Okay, there's your child. Deal with it. You're gonna die with it. You too, Tepper. Die with your child. Alright, that awfully lot crueler than I thought. But that's how it's gonna be. We're making this a really cruel. Oh! Ooh! Come over, baby. Come over here, babies. I have important for you. Is it good? It's bad. It's bad. It's bad. It's bad. It's bad. I don't care. I'm string it anyway. Bring the strong babies over. We will destroy this stupid. Oh. Alright, how many do you? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we get 9. I have 9, 10. So, you know who I'm gonna bring. Yeah. No. You're chosen. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright. Oh, jeez. Someone who can be beta. Who can be beta? Buddy. That's hopeless. No. We gotta find a beta. So you go out. Have your child more. Oh my god, your mate died. Your mate officially died. Rest in peace. What's her name? Resepo. The tough warrior. Keep trying. I want a baby that's unrelated. To be the 10th. The 10th baby. Cuckoo can have a baby with one of these guys. Anyone else? We got a BB. Someone's. So that nest is gone. Oh, the blue eyes are killer. Sorry. And also, who is this in the? I. Oh, I know. Okay, you don't get injured by it. Ah! Maybe there's more out here. I'm good. It's glad that you don't get injured by the, Alright. Also, alright, anyone can breed with this, lovely damsel of a fly. You can. I kinda just gave up halfway, just trying to, like... has been abandoned besides the blue-eyed baby, which I have a thinking of coming with us, but or no, depends. But I like the blue eyes and this girl guy, and he's pretty cool looking. Oh yeah. Someone's dying, a bleed. Oh, jeez. Oh no! A baby's been eaten! Oh yeah, and we also need room for the beta. Have we found... Oh, guys are gonna be alpha. Sorry! We've already chosen our alpha. So, second generation has been... Now, goodbye. This will make 2 more members. No! I didn't want to breed you. Oh no! Jasir! How could you? Banish him! Jim. Ugh. How could you? Love is not found that way. Yeah, leave him. He's left for the wind. Wasn't meant to do that. How could he? What a traitor! He was idiotic to think he could fall in love for the alpha. That will cause him a banishment. Room. So that so satirical event. Alright. The beta needs some. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, or 5, 6, 7, or 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oosh. Ah, and she's pregnant with the baby. She has a choice to kick out one of. I'm thinking she's gonna kick out Operidon. Sorry, buddy. But you've also been shown. Hello, peaceful bear. Sorry to you. Not a very peaceful meeting. Uh, uh. So you be all creepy over there. So the family continue. Lirop will have to be friends with the bear, then be friends with everyone else because group. Being shunned by the better than having to be chased by predators and killed. Like one of the unfortunates who accidentally made a grave mistake. Oh, wait. Hold on. I forgot. We have our other beta. Was the Kuca. Kuca really wants back in, but nope. The family says never. And we'll never bring him back in. Maybe the other family members will. So these two is done. So Kuca is going to live the rest of his life as an outcast with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think she might be considered next because she's not shunned. So she's not shunned, but she can be alpha next. So she's gonna follow the little youngsters that are hobbling about here. And the female here is gonna chase. And I guess we're gonna bring this creature along. Or Razite. Because she was called from the group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. Good luck. So the weird group continues their journey through the woods to check out an inquisitive place to hop onto. And Razite just sort of falls. She has those ants. Our beautiful, loved older family is dying off, leaving no trace. They're just destroying bushes because they don't need them anymore. And I don't need these guys anymore, so. Still got our alpha here, and her other. She's pregnant with the baby, but baby she wants. Pass the day. A real berry gonna lose too. I hear a bad berry, you know? Maybe our peaceful bear will. Full. Fattened! Ooh, this traitor of a creature. I'm gonna get the duck feathers again. Where is it? Where is it? Peacock tail. Call 40 times to attract me. And. No, go. Everyone's just destroying bushes. Ew! Look what came out of the bushes! Ew, 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 ew. Ew, get it away. It's ugly. Just saying. Those last bush family.